In this video, I will be comparing two of the most popular IPTV players on the market today, which are iMPlayer and TiviMate. Both of these apps allow you to stream your favorite live television content with ease, but they offer very different user experiences. TiviMate is often praised for its incredibly polished interface that looks and feels exactly like a high-end cable box. It is exceptionally stable and offers extensive customization for your electronic programming guide. On the other hand, iMPlayer takes a more modern approach with a sleek design and unique features like cloud management. This allows you to sync your settings across multiple devices without manual setup. While TiviMate excels in simplicity and reliability, iMPlayer offers more advanced power user tools like a built-in internal player that handles various formats with ease. If you want a traditional TV feel, TiviMate is the winner. However, if you enjoy cloud syncing and a fresh look, iMPlayer is a fantastic choice. Choose wisely.